In this group module section, we'll explore things such as things that are commonly and uncommonly affecting your credit to make your scores go up or down. We also cover many of the credit laws and how to use them to delete the negative items off your credit report. We also cite case laws that have benefited the consumer that you yourself can use to strengthen your argument and get even better credit results. We get so detailed that we even cover what kind of proofs that you can legally demand that put your creditors and collectors in a very tight spot. We even have follow-up tactics in case you are sent proofs back from a creditor or collector and what to still dispute, contest, and argue about what they sent you back. We even cover when you should change your dispute, as sometimes the credit bureaus will not delete the negative reported item. Lastly, in this module group, we cover all aspects of the FDCPA, the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act, which deals strictly with third-party collectors. Click the pinned comment to see and learn more.